Good morning. In this video session, I would like to discuss about a lathe machine. Now, a lathe machine is a machine which removes material from a cylindrical component. For example, this is a cylindrical component. This is having a diameter d, and this is having a length L. Now, with the help of lathe machine, we are going to reduce the diameter of the given raw material into a size small d and a length of small l. So d is greater than d, that means we are removing the material from d to d, and l is greater than l, or d is less than d, l is less than l. Now, how we are doing this? For example, this is a cylindrical component. Now, assume that this cylindrical component is rotating. Now, we'll place a tool here. We'll place a tool here, and this tool start shearing off the material, and the diameter will be reduced from d minus some value. The tool will be moving along longitudinal direction of the shaft. Similarly, we want to reduce the length of the shaft. This is reducing the diameter, and here we want to reduce the length of the shaft. So what is that we are trying to do is, we are trying to place a tool in this direction, and we are moving this tool in the lateral dimension of the diameter. That means in this direction. Now here it is longitudinal direction, this is the lateral direction. So what is the requirement of a lathe is, the lathe must rotate the workpiece. The lathe must rotate the workpiece, and there must be provision on the lathe to move the tool in the longitudinal direction of the workpiece, to reduce the diameter of the workpiece, and also to reduce the length of the workpiece. The tool must be moved laterally and material must be visible. Here, lateral provision. So let us see how these two functions are incorporated in the machine tool. Now we'll see. This is the workpiece, and this workpiece will be rotating in the z-axis. Now here there is a tailstock, or this is a tailstock. Now this will be hold in a headstock. So this is headstock and this is tailstock. Tailstock. This is headstock. Now these tailstock and headstock, this tailstock will be pointing center of the cylinder in one direction. So this is the just the centering of the workpiece. Now these two things, tailstock and headstock, will be on the lathe bed. This is a lathe bed. Now in this lathe bed, this must be rotating. So here there is a transmission system. So here there is a motor. This motor will have a transmission system which is rotating by this motor by transmission system. This motor will be started and this will be transmission system. Now this must be rotating in say 12 speeds to 24 speeds. That means this transmission system will be having a provision to change the speeds in 12 steps up to 24 steps. Depending upon the requirement of the rotary motion of the workpiece, the speeds can be adjusted. Now, on this lathe bed, there is a tool post. Tool post. In this tool post, there is a tool. This is a tool post. And this is a tool. Now, this tool post will be holding the tool. This is a tool. This is a single point cutting tool. And this tool post can be having a motion in the longitudinal direction and also the tool post can be moved in the lateral direction. So this is how a lathe can be constructed. Now the lathe will be having the headstock and tailstock. In the headstock, the chuck will be there. 3-jar chuck or 4-jar chuck, which will be holding the chuck. 3-jar chuck or 4-jar chuck is holding the workpiece. And this chuck will be in rotary motion by a transmission system with the help of a motor. Will be switching off the motor and the gear speeds will be changed to get 12 different speeds and up to 24 different speeds. And the tool post will be there, whether it will be holding a single point cutting tool. This tool post can travel in the longitudinal direction or lateral direction, or this tool post will be connected to a screw mechanism where automatic longitudinal motion and automatic lateral motion can be also be obtained. So this is how a lathe can be imagined to be constructed. Now, any machine, this is a machine tool. That means it's a tool which is trying to remove the material from the workpiece. Now here there are two devices, jig and fixture. Now jig is a tool holding device. It holds a tool and also guides the tool. That is jig. Fixture is the one which is going to hold the workpiece. Okay. So for any machine tool, you have to design the jig and fixture properly so the workpiece can be held and tool can be held and guided. So this is about introduction of lathe machine. Now with this, we can think of various subject areas. One is machine tool design. Now in the machine tool design, we are going to design a machine tool for manufacturing a maximum size diameter of shaft. That means we want to design a machine tool to the maximum diameter which can be used to hold this. That means depending on the check area, say some 70 centimeters to 20 centimeters. In this range, the maximum size, if it is 70 centimeters, it will be the lathe machine will be larger, and if it is 20 centimeters, it can be having. So to design the machine tool, we can use this particular thing, and also the time of that is the timing required to complete one particular operation. If you want to reduce, say from 35 centimeter diameter to 30 centimeter diameter, how much time it will take? So the time calculations with various different speeds and all. The mathematical part also we can see in this machine tool. So this is a brief introduction about a lathe machine, and we'll see in detail about various concepts that are involved to obtain the objective of the machine tool. So this is what I would like to discuss in a small video session. Thank you for watching the video.